And Paynton. This train has 3 coaches. The next bus to depart from the station will be the 1800 bus service to Bude.
So 153325 at the back, then 143619 at the front. And we'll come back in a few seconds once it departs. Okay guys, back. We got the Paynton service now ready to leave. I plan to make this video about 20 minutes to half an hour long this Sunday evening, guys. So it'll be slightly different to my normal Sunday evening sessions. So this will be a first time I'm going to be making a video in between 20 to half an hour long. So hoping for a successful video. I'm going to be seeing service some Great Western Railway in Crosscountry today. Fortunately no South Western Railway, they're on strike again. Oh, yeah. Would it be nice if the South Western Railway were running today? That would be more trains on camper, but there you go. Okay, that's the first train of the video, guys. We'll come back soon with another one. Okay guys, back. We got the 1801 Great Western Railway service to London Pansy now coming in. I think it's an HST, looks like. Running slightly late, but I'm sure you'll make up the time. Yep, good old HST. (43,041). And we'll come back in a few seconds once it departs. Okay guys, back. You got any second now. The London Pansy train's now got ready to leave. They always get me. The two tones on the HSTs always get me. And this is why I will miss them. I'll show you a little surprise in a minute once this HST goes out. (43,087) at the back. Okay guys, well we'll stay at this end because there's a Barnstable train about to go out, but I'll show you the train that is going to Barnstable in a minute. You'd be quite surprised, so we'll come back then. Okay guys, back. We got the Barnstable train now leaving, and here's a surprise I was on about. It's a 158. Possibly the first time I've seen this service run on the weekend, going to Barnstable. I don't know if it happens during the week. I know Adam Train Spot has been telling me recently that these trains will be running to Exeter to Barnstable quite frequently now. I don't know if they're replacing the Pacers or not. But this is a nice surprise. 158766 on the train. Nice little two-tone there as well. I love the 158s in the green GWR livery. Something about them that I do like. Normally you see them down Cardiff area and that, but they're coming down here now, which is good. Okay, well we'll come back in a few. Well, actually, no, I'll show you this double 150 pairing over on platform 6. Looks like it's having a sleep for the night. Don't know if I can get the numbers on it. So we got the 150-249 at the back. Come back in a few seconds with the other number. There you guys are back, and we got the 150-244. I don't think I've seen that number yet, so that's good. Quite odd to see a pairing of 150s together. I personally never seen that for a while. Maybe you have to let me know in the comments if you've seen that, guys. Okay, we'll come back in a few seconds with another train. There you guys are back. We got a train coming in from Exeter. He's going to be terminating here. Oh, it's a double header of Pacers. They are still around. 143-617 at the back and a 143-620 at the front. Not sure where he'll be off to. He might be off back out to Exmouth Way again. So, well, keep the camera rolling. We've got the 9-coach train to Leeds coming in. Two 221 123 at the front and 22001 at 0 at the back. Come back in a few seconds, guys. Hey guys, back. Got the 9-coach Voyager leaving now. I gotta say, that double Voyager has some acceleration on that. And a lovely two-tone as well. Another train coming in. He's going to Exeter Central. So 3 coaches. One 153-369 at the front and a 143-611 at the back. So we'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Hey guys, back. We've got the Exeter Central service now leaving. In a way, I've been thinking really, yeah, it's good for me to get this train on camera because it's an extra train, but in the grand scheme of things, I think it's pretty pointless doing services like this. Because obviously Exeter Central is just the next station up the line, so it's a 50-50 really. What do you reckon, guys? Let me know in the comments. Okay, we'll come back in a few seconds on another train. Okay guys, we're back. We got a 10-coach IET coming in, going to Plymouth. Going at Newton Abbot and Plymouth. Unfortunately, guys, these will be the trains coming down now. Unfortunately, like I said in previous videos, there won't be many HSTs around. Sad times, I know, but there you go. Went on one of those yesterday to Reading. Good trains, IETs, they're just, the seats are uncomfortable. Well, that's a nice little stopping point there. Come back in a few seconds once in the parks, guys. Okay, guys, we got the 10 coach IET now leaving, going to Plymouth. (802.010) on the train. And 802.009 at the back. I have to give it to them though, they do have great acceleration. Okay, come back in a few seconds with no train. There you guys, are back. The train coming in, going to Exmouth. It's coming from Paignton. What's it going to be? It's another pacer, another double header pacer. One 143 618 at the back, 143 603 at the front. I know some people don't like the pacers, but I find them alright actually. Obviously people have different opinions when it comes to these pacers, but I find them alright. Okay, we'll come back in a few seconds, guys. Hey guys, we're back. We got a cross-country service coming in, going to Plymouth. It's getting a bit busy now, all happening. We've got a London Paddington train that will come in a minute. It'll be a 9-coach IET. This is a 5-coach cross-country. Yeah, 221. It's not going to go through it, so I'll catch a number as it goes out, guys. I'm going to try and make this video as long as I can until the battery wears away. 800 317 on the IET. Certainly does go all the way up the platform, doesn't he? Bloody hell. Stay there, stay there, stay there. That's a pretty good photo actually of Voyager and IET together, I have to admit. Right, so we'll keep the camera rolling because I think this Voyager is leaving and the Exeter service is leaving as well, so I just might as well keep the camera rolling.
Attention please. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding.
They got Exmouth and the Plymouth trains now leaving. 221124 on the cross country. I already know what the numbers are on the Exeter train. Okay, I'll come back in a few seconds, guys. Hey guys, we've got the IET now leaving. Well, about to leave. It's the furthest I can go. Nice little two-tone. I expect that will run on the electric power once it gets to Reading. Okay, we'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Okay guys, back. We've got a cross-country service coming in, going to Bristol to Meads. I thought the Great Western Railway normally runs this service, but nope. It's a full coach. I'll catch the number as it goes out, guys, so we'll come back then. Hey guys, we're back. The cross-country sir is now ready to leave. He's on time, which is good to see. Probably going to get a two-tone here, perhaps. Don't know. I've had a few two-tones today, which is good. That one makes the video even more special once you get those. $220,032 on the cross country, and there you go, guys. I thought we would get a two-tone. It's to the person on the barrier doing the barriers, but nonetheless, I love the two-tones. Okay, we'll come back in a few seconds with no train. As I said, guys, I'm going to keep on going long as I can until my battery dies, and got enough space to store this video as well, so we'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Okay guys, back, and look what's in front of this train, my follower, the 153333 train. I always see him here at St David's. It's a 150 at the back, but we'll catch the number as it goes out. $150,265 at the back. Yeah, I always see that bloody 153 every time at St David's. Fucking hell. Excuse my language. Okay guys, we'll keep going in. I'll come back with another train. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This will be my longest video ever. I'll come back in a few seconds. Hey guys, got the 10 coach IET coming in. Going to London Patterson, 802003 at the front. And we'll catch a number at the back as it goes out. So we'll come back then. Okay guys, we're back. We got the 10 coach IET, the London Patterson now leaving. I'll let you know when my battery does die. At the moment my battery still seems to be alright. 802.004 at the back. Okay, that's that training, guys. We'll keep continuing. Like I said, I'll keep on going until my battery dies, so we'll come back with another train. There you guys, back. So we got a double header of paces going out. Probably will go back into the depot again, just coming out for a test, I think. I'll also include this in the video. There we go. We'll come back in a few seconds. Hey guys, back. We got the HST coming in, going to Penzance. And good old Roger announced in the 1920 service to Penzance. Believe that's his name. And is it Anne, the female announcer, as well? This will be a HST. Quite a good variety today, actually, guys. Quite pleased. Shame the South Western Railways didn't run. That would have been even better. (43.070) at the front. Come back in a few seconds, guys. Cheers. Okay, guys, we're back. We've got the 1925 cross-country service to Bury New Street coming in. It's running slightly late, like the Penzance train is. One of 5 coaches. (221-134). I'm hoping that will be my thumbnail. Cross country and HST together. I'll come back in a few seconds, guys. Once the trains depart. Hey guys, got the I can't even say it. HST now leaving. There you go, finally said it. (43.192) at the back. I don't know why they would have to get rid of the 8-car HSTs for. I have no idea why. I still think they're perfectly good trains. They served our railway for 40 years and now they're getting rid of them. You have to let me know in the comments for that as well, guys. I'll keep the camera rolling. So we got this cross country now leaving. I ain't got enough time to go down the platform to see it go out from the front view. I think I did hear a little two-tone there with the Voyager. There you go. Okay, guys, we'll keep going for a bit longer, and then we'll leave it then. So we'll come back in a few seconds with. Well, I haven't said this actually in this epic long video. We'll come back with another train. (43.122) at the front, going to London Paddington, guys. We'll come back in a few seconds once it departs. Okay guys, we're back. Got the London Passenger train now ready to depart. Look who it is, Mr. Sir Kenneth Grange. Good to see him again. I saw him at Reading yesterday. Well guys, I think we can fit one more train in this video and then we will end the video there. So we'll come back in a few minutes. Hey guys, we're going to end the video here with this cross country. It's more or less half an hour video wise here. So half an hour long video, so it would be really appreciated if you give this a like. I really do appreciate the support that you do to my channel, guys. I really do. So I'll come back in a few seconds once this cross-country train departs. Okay, we're back and we got the cross-country service to Penzance now leaving. 1, 2, 3, 5 coaches long, so it'll be a 221. So I'll catch number as it goes out. Now we have the Exeter service, so we're on platform 1, we might see that go out as well. (221) 125 on the cross country. So we'll come back in a few minutes to see the Exmouth train go out as well. Hey guys, we're back. The Exeter service now going out. I think that was that train from earlier. Okay guys, I'll end it here and then as that train goes out. Thank you ever so much for watching. It's greatly appreciated. A half an hour long special. First time doing a half an hour long special video here at St David's. Very good variety of trains. Very pleased with my work of this video. Make sure to give it a fat like, and I would love to hear your feedback on this video, guys. As always, I love your support to my channel, to my videos. So yeah. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next video. Cheers guys.